Greetings everyone, I'm here with Dr. Shania. Shania was announced as the winner of the Early Pharmaceutical Practice Recognition Award at the FIP Congress in Cape Town. Congratulations and thanks for being with us today. Can you please share with us your particular interest in pharmaceutical practice?
Of course. So I am a practicing pharmacist in Australia. I practice mainly in the hospital area, and I also am a clinician researcher in the sense that my main research focus looks at pain management and improving patient safety.
Awesome. Where did your interest in pain management come from?
Of course. So my interest in pain management started as a practicing hospital pharmacist, where in our hospital wards we saw patients receiving strong pain medicines after surgery and often experiencing side effects from these strong pain medicines, where opioids were perhaps not being used as safely as they could have been. So the result of that was the aim to improve patient safety on our hospital wards.
Great. Your research has led to changes in national guidelines. What have been the impacts of those changes?
Yeah, so some of the work that I've seen happen in Australia and around the world is the changes in different formulations of opioids being used. So in particular, slow release formulations, which release a steady amount of opioids in the system over time. This can be good for some types of pain, but is often not the most appropriate choice for acute pain, which happens after surgery, because we can't titrate those doses of the opioids to that acute pain. So my work looked at how the slow-release opioid use for acute pain affected patient outcomes, and unfortunately we saw worse patient outcomes for those who received slow release compared to immediate release opioids. And as a result of my work, that has shaped some of our national guidelines in Australia, and I hope to see improvements in patient safety as a result of that.
Awesome. So, your journey as an FIP member, how has it been, and how were you supported as a member of FIP?
Absolutely. So being a member of FIP has been incredible. I've been actively involved in the hospital pharmacy section. I've been lucky to have great collaborators in other sections as well. And really the collaboration internationally, as FIP is such a global organisation, has been paramount. And in addition to that, I've been lucky to be supported by a number of the research grants and recognition awards with FIP, and that's really been fantastic to represent the great work that pharmacists just like myself around the world are doing.
Good. So currently, is there anything you are working on? What are you doing at the moment?
Of course. So my work is really looking at how we can leverage the role and the value that pharmacists can bring to improve patient safety in areas where there is still an unmet need. So my primary focus at the moment is as a postdoctoral research fellow in Canada, and I'm looking at improving the outcomes for cardiovascular health.
Interesting. What are your aims for the future?
Sure. So in the future, I'd like to leverage a approach where we foster collaboration and work with great people around the world. And I really believe that working as a team can bring you much further than working by yourself. And in terms of the collaborations that I've been lucky enough to foster in FIP and around the world so far, that has definitely been a testament to that. So I'd like to lead great researchers, great clinicians to do work that shows the value that pharmacists like us can bring to improve patient safety in the future.
Thank you, Dr. Shania, for sharing with us your great work, and I wish you well. Reporting from FIP Cape Town, I am Mo Falarata. Thank you.